Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I achieve this cute style of these instant locks. I said instant locks, insta locks, or why do I keep saying that? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this cute hairstyle, these invisible locks that have been going around. I literally love this hairstyle. Like, if I'd never said I was gonna get locks before, I'm going to do it. I'm gonna lock my hair up. Like, this is the sign I needed. This right here is the sign I needed. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this cute look, then just keep watching.
Handle all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No hills on my record, I never lost, baby.
Alright, y'all. I know y'all probably looking like, why is one side longer than the other? But we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Because I had this image in my head that I seen on Instagram. And she had them all like with a side part. But the whole side part, it was like a permanent side part. So they all were this size length. If that makes sense. But I don't really ask, and I'm kind of just talking at this point. But this, I'm not even gonna fake the funk to y'all. This was like a super easy hairstyle, and I'm high-key in love with it. I'm high-key in love with this. Like, it didn't take long, it wasn't hard, like literally nothing. Right now I just been using this shiny gem, y'all know, the yellow one, for my parts and to like smooth out the sections. And truthfully, hold on, because I can't multitask. Truthfully, if you know how to what's it called, if you know how to twist your hair, or if you know how to retwist like actual locks and stuff like that, this is going to be stupid easy to you, because that's literally what you're doing, just on your own head basically. I don't know if I want this to be 2 or 3. Depth 3, because none of my parts are even this big. Hold on, y'all. Let me get myself situated. This is the hair that I've been using. It's like for the butterfly locks and whatever else. This is the hair I've been using. It comes in a pack of 3. I cut the first one, like, they're naturally this long, but the first like pack I cut them all in half, so I kind of had double the amount basically. And I did that for, I believe, this, the row right above my ear and down. So for 3 rows I used that, and then for the rest I've been using the entire piece, like I'm about to right now. So I'm not really good at talking and explaining this stuff, so I'm really gonna try my best, y'all. Basically all I've been doing, and it's actually really self-explanatory, is adding the gel or whatever edge control you want to use, comb it through, smooth it out, and then what you're gonna split that section into another section, and hopefully like get them as close to even as possible. And for me, I grab and I just twist, and I twist to the right. Well, yeah, I think this is to the right. I don't know. I twist one way basically, and I basically coil it down a little, and I do the same thing with the other piece. Coil it like so, and then after that, remember I was coiling them this way, so now when I twist them, I'm going to twist them the opposite direction like that, and I go down for about like 3 to 5, and that's kind of how you get it to like hold in place basically. And then from there, add the hair to the bottom and try to tuck it as much as you can Same thing with the hair. I'm just coiling it this way. I'm coiling it this way to get the hair to wrap around, and then twist it, and then wrap the other side, trying to make sure the hair is tucked if possible, and then just twist it all the way down. And that's literally it. Like, that's literally it. That simple. I was watching a lot of tutorials and they made it seem so much harder than what it really was. Because if I was to do this on somebody else's head, it would take me no more than like 2-3 hours tops, and that's probably a push. But you're gonna twist it all the way down. Honestly, I don't know if you have to, but I feel like you should, just to make sure nothing's unraveling. I've twisted all mine to the bottom, and then I add like a little more gel to the bottom to make sure that they're sticking, like so. And then basically I just looked at it and measured it out where I wanted it to stop. So like right here is good to me. And then same thing, when you wrap it, we were twisting it this way, so you're gonna wrap it that same way, if that makes sense, like how I'm wrapping it upwards. Because if you go the other way, it's gonna unravel and then it's not gonna stick, and all your hard work will have basically gone to waste. Trust me, I did it. I had to do a few of these over, but we got it down packed now. Boom, wrap it, and you're just gonna wrap it until you can't go anymore, basically. And boom. So I literally ran out of storage right after I finished this one, but we have one left. So I'm gonna show y'all again. And I literally used the perfect amount of hair because I only have one piece left too. So that is amazing, because I hate opening up packs just to get one piece. I did end up doing this one over and this one over just because I wanted them to lay better going that way, but that's neither here nor there. Like I said, make sure you smooth the hair out. Boom. Split it in half. I'm twirling mine this way. I'm probably gonna try to put an arrow on the screen, but I'm twirling it this way. And then the same thing with the other one. Twirling it to, I don't want to keep saying which direction because I might be saying it wrong, but, and then I'm going to twist them. I twirled them this way, and now I'm going to twist them that way. Basically coil it in one direction, twist it in the opposite direction. And like I said, I do about 5 of them, and then I add my hair, doing the same thing to get it to basically lock in place. Coil it this way, twist once, and then coil the other side, and then just twist all the way down. Add gel where you need to, you know, y'all know. But as I said, this was super easy. I'm kind of upset I'm not really going to leave it in that long, but I think this is going to be the one hairstyle I'm going to actually make. It's going to get its worth. It's going to get its due worth, because I don't know. I feel like I'm going to have to spend a block on this hairstyle. It's, I don't know. Because at the same time, I feel like I look like a poodle. I don't know if y'all are seeing it, but I feel like I look like a poodle. something about this is just making me feel like I look like a poodle. My mama calling me all of a sudden 2 hours later. She's gonna have to wait. Mama, I'm sorry if you're watching this, but you're gonna have to wait. So, twist all the way down. And then I think I want it like, I don't know, because none of them are like perfectly even, but I'm gonna just go like right here. And then when you wrap it up, you're wrapping it in the same, this way, that direction, to make sure it does not unravel. Boom, boom, boom. Like so. And voila. I don't know if I want to do this one over yet, but it's laying pretty decent. So yeah, I don't know if it's giving poodle or like, hold on, because I'm a little blurry. I don't know if it's giving poodle or bougie-ish auntie with no kids. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Where I'm getting ahead of myself. Actually not. I don't know. I may or may not do it right now. I'm thinking I'm not going to, but if I do, I'm probably gonna just put some mousse over top of it and lay it down. Right now I don't really feel like it because I still need to shower and stuff, but yeah, these are the final results. Let me give y'all a good little yeah, it's like really a blessing to be able to do your own hair, because I just know the girls that's out there charging like 300 plus for this hairstyle. Me, wasn't gonna do it. Was not. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below any more hairstyles you guys would like to see me try. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.